In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an American accent in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Getting a convincing American accent can be really handy, especially if you're working on a project or trying to enhance your voiceovers. ElevenLabs offers a fantastic platform to help you achieve that, so let's dive right in. First, the very first step you need to take is to log in. Head over to ElevenLabs.io. If you've already got an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. It's super easy to register. Just follow the prompts on the screen and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you're logged in, the next thing you should do is explore the voices available on the platform. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Voices. Click on that to open it up. Here, you'll be greeted with an impressive library of voices. If you're looking for something specific, you can navigate directly to the text-to-speech section to see the various options available to you. Now here comes the exciting part. We need to filter for an American accent. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a drop-down menu for voice selection. Click on that, and you're going to want to look for profiles labeled with American or the English American tag. These tags indicate which voices have that American accent that you're aiming for. Once you find a voice that resonates with you, it's time to select and configure it. Click on your chosen American voice. This is where the magic really happens. ElevenLabs offers adjustable sliders for a few settings that allow you to customize the voice even further. You can tweak the stability of the voice, enhance its clarity, or adjust the generation speed. Play around with these options until the voice matches your preferred narration style. It might take a little bit of experimentation, but finding the right settings can make a world of difference. And now we're ready for the final step, generating your speech file. Grab your text. This could be anything you want the voice to read. Simply enter the text into the designated input area. Once you've done that, hit the Generate button. In just a moment, your speech file will be ready to download. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to get an American accent using ElevenLabs. Whether you're creating content for a video, working on voiceovers, or just playing around with voice technology, having access to these American accent voices can really enhance your projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and